Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, security system, compass, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.